Yes, everyone on your video. Yes, dear student, in our last class we were discussing about fractions as well as decimals. Yes, fractions as well as decimals. Yes, okay. So in our last class, just about the fraction and decimal, we have discussed standard form of the fraction as well as equivalent fraction. Next one, addition as well as subtraction of the fraction. Only the like fractions we have observed. And also we have observed about the types of fraction. Please tell me, if the numerator of the fraction is less than the denominator, we will call this one either proper or improper. Which type of fraction? 2 by 5, 3 by 6. Which one it is? Proper fraction. Good. Then if suppose numerator is greater than the denominator, it is improper fraction. Here the value of numerator is greater than denominator. Suppose one whole number including one proper fraction, if you write, it is mixed fraction. Whole number plus proper fraction together, if you write, it is mixed fraction. Suppose all the denominators of the two denominators of the fractions are same, it is called like fraction. The same denominator fractions are called what? Like fraction. If the denominators are different, what we are calling this one? Unlike, not dislike. Unlike fraction. Clear? Okay. So these all are the types of fraction. Proper, numerator is less than denominator. Improper, numerator is greater than the denominator. Then mixed, whole number including one proper fraction. Then like fraction, if the denominators are same, it is called like fraction. If the denominators of the any two fractions are different, it is called unlike fraction. Clear? So in our last class, we were adding as well as subtracting only the like fraction with same denominator fraction. Today we have to see about the addition as well as subtraction of unlike fraction with the mixed fraction also. Clear? Shall we do it? Okay. Very interesting. Again today also we are discussing about the addition as well as subtraction of the fraction. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, just I am giving you one of the example here. 2 by 7 plus 3 divided by 5. How to add these two? If the denominators are same, then we can add easily the fractions. Then if the denominators are different, how we have to add these two? That is our task today. How we have to add? First we have to make the denominator same. If you want to make the denominator same means you have to take the LCM. Yes, take the LCM of both the fraction denominator LCM you have to take, then you will get the same denominator. If you get the same denominator, you know how to add and subtract the like fraction. Then we will follow it. Okay. Now we have to make the denominator same. Means 7 and 5 are both are prime numbers. Both they are not comes in a same table. So we have to take its least common multiple. Least common multiple of 7 and 5 is what? Okay. Both these two in the multiple of both these two. Which one it is the same? You have to check it. Okay. LCM of 7 and 5. Okay. Product only. 7 5 is 35. So 7. How much are 35? 7 5 is 35. This fraction you have to multiply and divide it by 5. Plus 5 how much are 35? 5 7 is 35. If you multiply and same number to any one of the fraction or any one of the number, that number should be same here. It does not get altered. For example, 2 into 5 by 5. 5 5s are cancel. Again your answer is 2 itself. So same way, if you want to write its equivalent, at least equivalent fraction with the denominator as 35, we have to write these two. Now 7 5s are 35, 2 5s are 10, plus 3 7s are 21, 3 5 7s are 30. Now the denominators are same. Then we can add easily. Keep the denominator as it is 35. Then add the numerator 10 plus 21. How much? How much?
31.
21?
31.
31 divided by 35 is the sum of these two numbers. Clear? What we have done? First we did the denominator same. After that we will get the fractions of like fraction. We know how to add the like fraction. Then we will get the sum of the both the fraction. Clear? Yes. Please join first, everyone. Yes. Good. Good. Moksha, your answer correct. Okay. All of you on your video and show me your answers. Is it over? Okay. Shall we take another one? Yes, see here. I will give one more. Yes, take here. Second one. 5 divided by 8 plus 3 divided by 4. 5 divided by 8 plus 3 divided by 4. What is the least common multiple of 4 and 8? LCM of 4 and 8. Yes, miss. We will take it as 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are, then 1 and 2. Next, 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 into 2 into 2. What is the LCM? 8. Yes, 8 also there in a 8 table, and in 4 table also there is a 8. So which is the least multiple here? 8 only a least multiple. So 5 divided by 8, how much? 8 1s are 8 plus 3 divided by 4, how much? 8? 2s are. So multiply and divide by this fraction by 2. We will get the denominator same. Yes, 5 1s are 5 divided by 8 plus 3 2s are 6 divided by 8. Now you can add same denominator with the denominator as it is. Then 5 plus 6 is how much? 11 divided by 8 is your answer. Clear? Easy? So easiest problem. Take here another one. Third one I am giving to you only. Will you try? Say yes. Good. Okay. 7 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 12. Please, what is the LCM of 3 and 12? In 3 table there is a 12, as well as in 12 table also there is a 12. Take the LCM of 3 as well as 12. Okay, solve this one fast. How many of you got answer? Manoj, Arya Rajan, please on your video, sir. Manoj Koradi. Over? Okay. Purvi, Sahana SK, Sahana SH. Okay, what's your answer, one? What? 3 divided by 4. We will check. After simplification, you got the answer. Okay. One of your friend, he given the answer as 3 divided by 4. Then tell me others. What's your answer? Abhishek, Sahana, Anushka, Sanchita, Srishti. Please everyone on your video. Sharvin, Apeksha, Jayashree, Shraddha Varnekar. Okay, good. Bhuvan, Gujjanawar Bhuvan. What's your answer? 28 divided by 12. 28 by 12. 7 4s are. Bhuvan, please check your second step. 7 4s are 28. You have written here 24. Bhuvan Gujanawar. 7 4s are 28 it is. Okay. Next, Vijay. Vijay 28 plus 2 30. 5 divided by. Okay. 3 10s are 3 4s are then 2 5s are 2 2s are 5 by 2. Another answer. Different answer. Okay. Again, anybody different answer? Please. Vijay's answer 5 divided by 2. Who did this correct? We will check. Okay. Again, any different answers? Please fight with these two, Vijay and okay. 30 divided by 12. 30 by 12 as well as 5 by 2 both are same here. Simplest form of 30 by 12 it becomes a 5 by 2. Again, any different answer? Okay. Anybody is ready here? Bhuvan, make it correct, sir. Shraddha, Soham Punde, Trisha Koppat, Nilambika, Anvika, Omkar, Swasti, Vishwanath, Ranjan, Gadi. Today you entered. Very good. Gauri, show me your answer. Gauri, Nagapradnya, Kushi. Please everyone on your video and show me your answer. Yes, one more. Again, who is ready? No one. Okay. Check your answer yourself. Cross verify your answer. Now I will solve this one. What is the LCM of 3 and 12? 12 itself. 5, 3, 4s are 12. 12 1s are also 12. So 7 divided by 3, 4s are 12. 4 divided by 4, your answer is 1. 1 it is a multiplicative identity. Plus 2 divided by 12, 1s are 12. Okay. Now the second step. 7 4s are 28 divided by 12 plus 2 1s are 2 divided by 12. Next step. 28 plus 2 divided by 12. 28 plus 2. 30 divided by. Okay. What it is? 30 divided by 12. You can simplify this one. How? In 3 table we have taken 3 table or else you can take a 6 table directly. 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12. So your answer 5 by 2. Vijay, your answer correct. Bhuvan, your answer wrong. Make it correct. Then Gujanawar, you have taken vertical mistake. You have done here 7 4s are 24. You have written. Make it correct. Bhuvan, 24 you have written here. 24 plus 4 you have added. It's wrong. 28 plus 2 it is a 30. Clear to everyone? Now shall I give one more? Ready? Okay. Now I will give mixed fraction. Ready? Yes. How to add the mixed fraction? So easiest way. 2 ways are there to adding the mixed fraction. We will see that. Which one it is easy for you? You can follow that. Yes. Okay, take care one more. 3 integer 1 by 2 plus 4 integer 3 divided by 4. First you have to observe, everyone you have to observe here. There are 2 ways to solve this one. There are 2 ways. Here I will solve by first method and here I will solve by second method. You can follow anyone. Which one it is easy for you? You can follow that. Just I am showing you both the method. Clear? Okay. So first method 3 integer 1 by 2 plus 4 integer 3 by 4. First I will add only these integers are whole numbers. Which one? Here is given. Just I will add 3 plus 4 and remaining I will add 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. It is easy way to add. Take the LCM, then add these two. Okay. Now 3 plus 4 7. Then here LCM of 2 and 4. 2 2s are 4. So it is not visible to you. 1 by 2 2 2s are 4. Then 4 1s are 4. Okay. Now 7 whole by 4. So continuation here. 7 whole 4 as it is. 2 plus 3. How much? 5. What it is a improper fraction? 5 by 4 it is a improper fraction. While keeping in a mixed fraction, fraction should be what? Proper. So convert it into proper. 7 plus. You can convert 5 by 4 into the mixed fraction. How? By division method? Yes. 4 1 ja 4. Remainder is what? 1. After that you can write it as 1 integer 1 by 4. How? Madam, we are not getting. Yes, you can. 5 divided by 4 1 ja 4. Now how will we are writing here? 1. Quotient is a whole number. Remainder is in the numerator. Then denominator as it is. 1 integer 1 by 4 we are writing. So we have to enter here 1 integer 1 by 4. 7 plus 1. 6. Very good. 8 integer 1 divided by 4 is the answer. It is a one method. Okay. First you have to take this first method and I will follow the second method. First you write it. Then I will give you second method. Both are easy. You can follow anyone. So everyone got this first method? Yes, just out of 92, 47 members are there here. Plus 3 are here. Totally 50 members. Then where those all remaining 42 members? Out of 92, only 50 are here. Remaining 42. Are they sleeping in the home? Please call your friends. Then tell them to join here. Call your friends. Khushi, Pratham, Shravani, Samar, Shraddha, Sumit, everyone on your video. Namita Naik, okay, Sumit sir, have written this one? Yes, okay. Namita Naik, Indira on your video, madam. Shejal, Mohammad, Pratik, Nishan, yes, Chirag Naik, Apeksha Sonal, Moksha, Yajna, Rakshita, Samarth, Sachin, Adarsh Desai, Sahana Kadi, please on your video everyone. Where is your Ranjan Gadi? Why he is not attending the class? Ranjan Gadi not there, as well as Sachin Gorpade. Okay, is it over? Yes. No, Sachin Rajpurohit. Rajput. Where is all? Call them. Okay. Second method, how to solve this one? Second method, how we have to solve. In second method, directly I will convert these fractions to improper. In first step only, I will convert these fractions to what? Improper. How? How to convert improper fractions to, mixed fractions to improper? It is a denominator multiplied by the whole number plus numerator. Yes? Denominator multiplied by the whole number plus numerator. So now 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 1. 7 divided by 2 plus 4 4s are 4 4s are 16 plus 3 19 divided by 4. Now you got two improper fractions. Now they will make the denominator same. Then we can add it. Okay. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? 4. So 2 2s are 4. Then 4 1s are 4. Okay. 7 2s are 14 by 4 plus 19 1s are 19 by 4. Now the denominators are same. just keep the denominator as it is. 14 plus 19. 9 plus 4, 13. 1, 2, 3. 33 by 4. Now we have to convert this improper to mixed fraction form. Original form we have to keep this one. So you can convert 33 divided by 4. 33 divided by 4. 4 8s are 32. Remainder is 1. So you can write it as 8 integer 1 divided by 4 is the answer. Just check your first method answer. Is it same? Yes. So which one it is easy for you? You can follow that. Either second if you want, you can follow the second method. If you want first method, you can follow that. Yes. Write it. Everyone take this one. Ayush Changdi, where are you, sir? On your video. Gauri Mirji, on your video. ಸಚ್ಚ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲ ರೋಡ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತಿದ್ದು ಬಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಸಚಿನ್ ಸರ್ನೇನು ರಾಜ್ಪುರ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಗಜೇಂದ್ರ ತಾವು ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ರಜಪೂತ್ ರಡ್ಡೆ ರಡ್ಡೆ Yes, okay, is it over? Yes, take now another one. Shall I repeat? Okay, take the question. One more addition, subtraction. Now shall I give subtraction? No issue? Okay, one more addition of mixed fraction, then I will give the subtraction problem. Okay, take this one. Next one. 7 integer 2 by 5 plus 3 integer 5 divided by 8. Little big number. 8 5s are 40 is the LCM. So very solve this one, sir. Simply we are sitting here means it's not a use. Try to solve. If you want, you can follow the second method, or if you want first method, you can follow the first method. Which one it is easy for you, you can follow that. But finally, you are getting in both the method same answer. Please do it fast. Integer 1 by 40 is the answer. So solve that fast. 8 integer 1 by 40 is your answer. So up to that you have to try to solve. How many of you have completed? Please Adarsh Desai, Samarth, Rakshita, Apeksha, who have solved please on your video. Edna, Chabbi, Sumit. Sumit, have you solved? No, yes, solve fast Sumit. Ranjan Gadi. Ranjan on your video, sir. Pratik, Pratham, Namita, Nishant Edali, Chirag Naik on your video and show me your answer. Escape. If I ask the answer, you are escaping. Jayashree, Rakshita, Moksha, Indira, have you completed, madam? Do it fast. Fast calculator. Sejal Modi on your video, madam. Yes, Shraddha, Shravani, Samar, Nagapradna, where are you, madam? Where is your answer? Solve fast. Solve fast. How to fight like a fastest finger here. Gauri, Gauri, Purvi Gani, Madam, show me fast your answer. Sahana Huchreddy, where are you? Sahana Huchreddy. Show me your answer, madam. Abhishek. Anushka. Anushka Gowda. Madam, show me your answer. Sharvin Bhuvan Gujanavar. Sir, on your video and show me your answer. Shraddha Varnekar. Nobody is telling the answer. Is it very difficult question? No. Yes, once again, if you want, you can see here. I will follow here just second method. Means first I will convert the mixed fraction to improper. Then I will make the denominator same. Then finally we can add. Yes, how to convert the mixed to improper? Denominator multiplied by the whole number plus numerator. 5 sevens are 35 plus 2 37 divided by 5 plus 8 threes are 24 plus 5 29 divided by 8. What is the LCM of 5 and 8? 40. So 5 8s are 40 means multiply and divide by 40 plus 8 how much are 40? 8 5s are 40. Now 37 into 8 we don't know, at least we can multiply 37 by 8. Yes, 8 sevens are 56, 5 carry. 8 threes are 24 plus 5 29 96 by 40 plus 5 nines are 45 4 carry. 5 twos are 10 plus 4 14 by 40. Now just add the numerators. 296 plus 145 divided by 40. Yes, 5 plus 6 11 1 carry. 1 plus 4 5 plus 9 14 14. Then 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 what? 4 divided by 40. Then 4 how much? 11 ja? Don't know? Let it be. 41 ja? 41 ja. Remaining 4. It becomes a 41. Again 41 ja. So remainder is 1. Or else if you don't want like this way 441 keep here only, you can do the division here. 441 by 40. 41 ja 40, remaining 4, again 41, 41 ja 40, remaining, remainder is 1. We can write it as 11 integer 1 by 40. It is your answer. Yes, miss, you told wrong answer. 8 integer 1 by 40 I told. Yes? Okay, this is a correct answer. What? 36 by 40. 66 by 40 you can. But you did mistake somewhere. Is it clear? Now shall I give one more? Ready? Okay, one simple subtraction question I am giving you. Everyone have solved this one? Have you got it? Bhuvan? Shraddha? Yes, out of 92 only 44 members. Very interesting. Let's take now one subtraction problem. Yes. Very interesting question. First one, 2 minus 3 by 2. Means how to write it? The hand by using the pen. You have to simplify this one. Ready? Yes, means here there is no denominator for 2. How we have to write? Every number always it is divisible by 1. So I have to take it up. Denominator as a 1. 2 by 1 minus 3 by 2. Now denominators are different. Make the denominator same. How? By taking the LCM. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? What is the LCM of 1 and 2? 2 itself. Okay. See here. Every number always divisible by 1. If we will not give any denominator value here, always it is divisible by 1. is a very important step here. Okay. Now the fraction it becomes 2 by 1 minus 3 by 2. Now the denominators are different. We have to make the denominator same. Take a LCM of 1 and 2 is what? 2 itself. So 2 divided by 1, 2s are 2. Multiply and divide by 2. Next 3 divided by 2, 1s are 2. Yes. Now 2 2s are 4 by 2 minus 3 1s are 3 by 2. So your answer 4 minus 3 divided by 2 is how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Is it clear? So easiest one. Shall I give one more same way? Just slight changes. 3 plus 2 by 4. 3 plus 2 by 4. Solve this one fast. 3 plus 2 by 4. How many of you are ready? Do it fast. Do it fast. Anvika, Neelambika, do fast. Swasti, Vaishnavi, Gauri, Nagapradnya, Khushi. Time is going on. Please do it fast. Yes, how many of you have completed? Just see how to solve this one. Okay, see here. If there is no denominator means at least always every number divisible by 1. You can write 3 as a 3 by 1 plus 2 by 4. What is the LCM of 1 and 4? 4 itself. 1 4s are 4. Then 3 4s are plus 2 by 4 1s are 4. Yes, okay. 3 4s are 12 by 4 plus 2 1s are 2 by 4. Now the answer 14 divided by 4. Why 14 by 4? 12 plus 2, 14 by 4. Clear? Okay, shall I give one more? Ready? Okay, so easiest question madam it is. Yes, some of the question I am giving now from your textbook. 2.1 exercise. Yes, what it is? 2.1 exercise. Are you ready? Minus 3 by 5. 2 minus 3 by 5. Okay, solve this one. There is no denominator means make it 1. LCM of 1 and 5. 5. Then simplify. Where does all remaining 3 members escaping from the class? How many of you are getting escape? I am getting to know how much percent, how many duration you have attended the class. Then you will get the punishment. Who are going back early means before ending the time of the class session, you may get punishment sir. Directly I will call to your parents and I will ask you why he is not attending full class. Simply he is attending and showing the attendance then going back. It's not good. How many of you are exited? Please come and join fast or else I get to know here. Okay, Arya, your answer what? 7 by 5. 7 by 5. Good boy. Correct answer, Arya. Your answer is exactly correct. 7 by 5. Okay. Again, anybody is ready here? Very good. Yes, again. Anybody is ready here? Tanu Koppa, Swasti, Vaishnavi. Yes, good. One more is ready. Kushi, hold your book properly. Kushi, I am not getting your answer. Only question I am getting. Kushi, yes, your answer also correct. Then who is this one? Samarth Kyadi, 7 by 5. Good boy. Correct answer. Yes, 7 by 5. Who is this one? Nagapradnya, your answer also correct. Good. Good. Everyone solved this one very easily. Good. See here, denominator is 1 here. 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. What is the LCM? 1 and 5 is 5 itself. So 1 5s are 5. 5 1s are 5. by 5 minus 3 1 जा 3 by 5 denominator same 10 minus 3 7 by 5 is it? One more shall I give from your textbook? 2 integer 3 2 by 3 2 integer 2 by 3 yes 2 integer 2 by 3 plus 3 integer 1 by 2 mixed fraction addition yes solve fast yes how many of you ready sir Kulkarni sir you are sitting simply means you will not get to know anything here try to solve at least one step over very fast if you want second method you can follow the second method or first method you can follow yes our first step in second method convert the mixed to improper 3 2s are 6 6 plus 2 8 by 3 2 3s are 6 6 plus 1 7 by 2 3 2 LCM 6 only 5 is not yes 3 2s are 6 plus 2 3s are 6 okay 8 2s are 16 by 6 plus 7 3s are 21 by 6 now 6 plus 1 7 37 by 6 you can convert to improper sorry mixed fraction how 37 by 6 6 6 are 36 1 is the remainder so you can write it as 6 integer 1 by 6 so easiest answer everyone got same answer yes good okay good again 5 members exited here still you don't have the next class up to 12:30 then why you are exiting here I am getting to know how many of you are getting exit here so definitely you will be under punishment now yes okay just now you have to take the homework problem I am giving some of the problems addition subtraction of mixed fraction as well as improper fraction with a different denominator just try to solve this not only try to solve compulsory everyone go to solve and submit in the WhatsApp especially 7th standard students homework I am not getting every day but even though 5th and 6th student regularly they are sending the homework then what about you what is the problem why you are not doing the homework properly okay take this 3 integer 2 by 5 plus 2 integer 5 by 3 second one 25 by 30 minus 2 by 5 next one 1 integer 2 by 5 minus 1 integer 3 by 5 next one 6 integer 1 by 2 plus 3 integer 2 by 4 minus 1 integer 1 by 4 very interesting question yes you solved in the class only 2 then you are giving here 3 because you are a brilliant student you can solve that very easily yes within 2 steps take another one take the denominator sorry LCM of all 3 denominator LCM you can take then you will get easily the answer okay so here the LCM is 4 okay 4 is the LCM and simplify yes 7 by 5 plus 2 by 7 minus 3 by 5 means again you given 3 steps no issue 3 fractions no issue you are brilliant what is ready yes next one 1 integer 1 by 7 plus 3 integer 2 by 8 2 by 8 so it's next 19 by 11 minus 4 by 15. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. Next one. Next one. 8 integer 1 by 2 minus 8 integer 1 by 2 minus 3 integer 5 by 8. 3 integer 5 by 8. Means enough? No. No. 10 questions I am giving today. Every day simply 2 or 3, 2 or 3. You are enjoying. But today at least you have to do your work properly. Then, is it visible here? Ninth one. Yes. Take here the ninth one. Ninth one. 3 integer 1 by 5 plus 2 integer 2 by 10. Next one. 7 by 10, 2 by 5, 3 by 2. 7 by 10 plus 3 by 5 plus 2 by 3. Solve these 10 questions. Better you have to try to solve now only. 11:30 to 12:30 have the gap. Within this time only better you have to solve. Means you will not get headache about the homework. Already just you have solved the question same way. Over. Yes, dear student. Now we can conclude today's class. Tomorrow we are going towards the multiplication as well as division of the fractions. Then afterwards we are going towards the exercise questions. Okay. Now it is the time to discuss with